studying topic surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. And the topic surface area, volume, cube and cuboid. There are two types of figure, 2D figure and 3D figure. 2D figure are two-dimensional figure like rectangle, square, triangle, trapezium, etc. And in 3D figure, there are three-dimensional figure, cube, cuboid, sphere, etc. And we talk about cube and cuboid. In a cuboid the faces is 6. Just give, this is a figure of cuboid. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. 6 faces. Edges. What is edges? Edges where the two faces are made is called edges. In their edges is called sides. We know that in a cuboid edges is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And vertices. There are 8 vertices. What is vertices? Where the three faces are made, it is called vertex. 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area in which we are included curved surface area and top and bottom. Just like 4 faces and top and bottom. L. This is a length, breadth and height. To length, breadth and height, to height and length. Area of 4 walls. We know that area of 4 walls is also known as lateral surface area and curved surface area. In this we do not include top and bottom. Only the 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 L plus B into H. Volume. Volume of a cuboid we know all. We study in class 8th and before. Volume of cuboid L into B into H. Diagonal. Diagonal of cuboid under root L square plus B square plus H square. And length of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 length and 4 height and 4 breadth. Thus we know 4L plus B into H. And cube. There are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like same as cuboid, but there is the length, breadth and height is equal. Edge is 12, just like cuboid, and vertex is 8. Total surface area here 6a square, and the area of 4 walls is also known as curved surface area and lateral surface area 4a square. Volume L into B into H, as we know that L equal to B into H, just yes we know a cube. Diagonal under root a square, simply a root 3. Length of edges 4 into 3a. We know that 3 length, 3 breadth and 3 height, 3a and thus 12a. Thank you.